push Fox Mama out and got Big Baby in. Alright, this is the 08 750Li. This is the reason we're here. That's oil leaking crazy. Got a long way to go. Alright, getting Alternator out wasn't too bad. She's over there, but I can't go any further because I need to raise the engine now to get the power steering out and the engine mount bracket and the engine mount so that we can get to the seal. Day 2, got my support bar, and now we're about to get this power steering pump out, raise the motor. Alright, we're trying to get this rough bolt out right there. I don't know how I'm going to get to that. Alright, there she is. And that was that bracket in the back that was so hard to get to. Here's our oil leak. So I'm having to tackle this other motor mount bolt down there so I can get more lift. I need about another ½ inch. It's a bit higher. So this is the oil cooler thermostat for the oil lines. But now we gotta take the engine mount out and get to our seal. Just pulled the engine mount out, broke free the first 2 bolts. We made it. This is what we're looking for. I'll hit it in the parts washer. That soap. I was going to stop, but I decided to keep going. Gave it a quick clean. And just put the new gaskets on. And I'm going to put this back on. And maybe the mounts. And I'll get everything else done together next week. Alright, we got it hand tightened. That's how you officially know you're at the halfway mark. From lefty loosey to righty tighty. It's definitely quitting time. Got pretty much everything on the bottom back together. Gonna clean up the mess and save the rest for next week. Alright, we're draining the oil, doing the oil change. Everything's back on. About to do a start. Alright, it's filled up with oil. Got coolant, power steering in. It's time for a start. Sounding pretty good for a first start. Pretty good. So we've been running for a little bit now. And where I cleaned it, it's not the cleanest. But it's not leaking.
Cut the bars, cut that boy, cut the business. Gotta get solved. Wake up breakfast, I ain't skipping. Take me a walk.